Hey everyone, hope we are doing well. This is Ashutosh, your coach, and I have decided to bring out certain videos with the useful Excel tips that we can use in our day to day lives to make our lives easier. And in the first video of this series, we are going to learn how to split the first and last name if the full name is written in one cell of Excel. Alright, so without wasting too much time, let's go to see how we are going to get the first name and the last name from the full name. So the screen in front of you shows the left column shows the full name written, and then first name and the last name has formulas. Now the reason I have put formulas in front of you so that you can keep a note of it or keep it for your later use, and I'll explain it to you how do we use these functions to get the information that we need. So if you see the highlighted area, so you see this first name, cell B2, it shows the formula that is equal to left bracket open, then A2 comma find. So I'll explain how this works and what is it. So as usual, any formula in the Excel starts with is equal to, so we have done that, and then we'll do left because the first name is written towards the left, right? So left and then bracket open, and then where do we get this information? I mean, where we need to get the information, the first name that we need. So we have to select the cell A2 where we have the full name. Now we'll use the function called find. Now find is a function that gives us the string, gives us the text within the text. So the entire text is the full name and we have to get the text that is the first name. So let's do it. Now open the bracket, and then what we need to do is we need to bifurcate the first name and the last name with the space in between. So anytime we use space in the formula, so we'll have to open inverted commas, close inverted commas, and then comma. So this notifies space. Now so from space, where do we need so after space, where do we get this information? So it is towards the left, so towards the left. So after space, the first information towards the left, the first character, the first text towards the left till the end. So what we'll do is we will select the name once again, and then as we said, after the space we have to take the first character till the last character. So we'll specify it with the number 1 because we would need all the characters from 1 till end after the space. So we'll close the bracket now, and as it was, we had 2 open brackets, so we'll close it twice and it will give us the first name. Now the reason it is showing you the formula only because I have used a shortcut, and the shortcut is control and then just below the escape button on your keyboard you see you see kind of inverted comma, or I should say I'm not sure what exactly do we call it, but it is written like this here. So we'll use this button and then it will return to the value. You see, it gives me the first name. Now if we use it once again, control and then that button, so it gives us the formula once again. Now for the last name also, for the last name, so again if you remember, in the first name we used left, last name we'll use right, and then we'll select the full name once again. Now this time we'll use a different function that is called length. So length is a function that gives us the total number of characters in the string. So length of this, oh my bad, so after length we'll open the bracket again, and then we'll select this cell because this will give us the entire information. We'll close the bracket, and then we have to subtract the total number of characters starting from space. So again we'll open the bracket, we'll put in space. As we discussed, anytime in Excel we have to put in space, we'll use inverted commas open, inverted commas close, and then comma, and then we'll select once again the full text, and then we will close the parenthesis. So 2 parentheses we had open, so we've used 2 to close, and then that's it. This is the formula that we need to bring the last name. Now, as we discussed, we'll use control and then just the button below the escape button. So control plus that, and it gives us the information. So this is it in today's video, and you have learned 3 things: first name, last name, and then how to see the formula if you want to see it. So there we go. So you have these formulas, you can use it, and you can use it through practice. So that is it for today. Stay tuned, like the video, subscribe the video, and I'll bring more videos like this.